Imagine that just 4 exercises could make your glutes stronger, reduce knee and back pain, and even help you burn more calories all after the age of 60? Yes, in this video, I'm showing you the only 4 strength exercises you need to grow stronger glutes after 60. No gimmicks, no complicated routines, just simple moves that really work. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a complete, safe routine that boosts strength, balance, and mobility and makes everyday movements easier than ever. Benefit 1: less knee and back pain. Strong glutes act like the foundation of a house. When they're weak, knees hurt, and your lower back gets tired. Strengthening them keeps your hips steady, knees aligned, and back supported. Benefit 2: burn more calories. Glutes are one of the largest muscles in the body. Working them boosts calorie burn even after your workout thanks to the afterburn effect. Benefit 3: better hormones and stronger bones. Exercising big muscles like the glutes helps release hormones that support strength and recovery. Many glutes moves also protect your bones, lowering the risk of falls and injuries. Strong glutes help you stay healthy and active as you age. Let's start with a simple but powerful move, the step up. If you've ever climbed stairs, you already know the basic motion. This exercise targets your gluteus maximus and gluteus medius, and it also improves balance. Why does balance matter? As we age, it's one of the first things we tend to lose. Step-ups help you stay steady, confident, and strong. How to do it: stand in front of a sturdy bench or step. Place one foot fully on top, then push through that leg to lift your body up. Keep your chest tall and your torso straight. At the top, squeeze your glute for a second. Slowly lower yourself down, controlling the movement. Going slow helps your muscles learn the correct way to work. If you're new to exercise or over 60, start with a low step. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. As you get stronger, you can hold light dumbbells or try a higher step to challenge yourself. If you've had recent knee, ankle, or balance issues, start slowly and pick a safe step height. You can hold onto a wall or railing for extra support at first. Next up is a strong move that really wakes up your glutes: the Bulgarian split squat. The name sounds fancy, but the exercise itself is simple. It builds strength, stability, and balance all at once. This is one of the best exercises for glutes because it works each leg separately. If one leg is weaker, a common issue as we age, this exercise helps both sides get stronger and balanced. How to do it: stand a few feet in front of a bench or sturdy chair. Place the top of one foot on the bench behind you. Your other foot stays on the floor in front. Slowly bend your front knee and lower your body. Keep your chest tall and your posture steady. When your front thigh is about parallel to the floor, push through your heel to rise back up, squeezing your glute at the top. Why it works: this move stretches your glutes on the way down and contracts them strongly on the way up. That combination builds strength, shape, and targets both the gluteus maximus and gluteus medius. If you are new to exercise or over 60, hold on to a wall or chair for support. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. As you get stronger, you can add light dumbbells or slow the lowering phase to increase the challenge. If you have knee issues, poor balance, or trouble getting into position, go slowly and use support. Reducing the depth of the movement is completely fine. Next up is one of my favorites, the glute bridge. It looks simple, but it's very effective, especially for older adults. It isolates the glutes and strengthens your hips without putting much strain on your knees or back. How to do it: lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Rest your arms at your sides. Press through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. At the top, squeeze your glutes for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower your hips with control. Focus on using your glutes, not your lower back. Keep your core engaged and move slowly. Slow and controlled beats fast and sloppy every time. Why it works: the glute bridge targets the gluteus maximus like almost no other exercise. It also lightly works your core and lower back, improving stability. Regular practice can help reduce lower back pain, improve hip function, and boost overall posture and mobility. If you're new to exercise or over 60, try 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps using just your body weight. As you get stronger, add a light dumbbell or plate on your hips, or hold the top position a few seconds longer to challenge your glutes more. Avoid this exercise if you have a recent lower back injury or limited hip mobility. If you feel discomfort, check your form and don't overextend your spine. Hip abduction machine. Let's finish with an exercise that targets the gluteus medius and minimizes the muscles on the sides of your hips. These muscles are often overlooked, but they're key for balance, walking, and keeping your pelvis stable. Weak side glutes can make your hips drop when you step, which puts extra stress on your knees and lower back. How to do it? Sit on the hip abduction machine with your back supported and feet on the foot pads. Adjust the pads so they rest comfortably on the outside of your thighs, just above your knees. Keep your torso upright, engage your core, and slowly push your legs outward to a comfortable range. Pause and squeeze your glutes for a second or two, then slowly return to the starting position. Why it works. This move strengthens the side glutes, improving pelvic stability and making walking and movement safer. It also sculpts the sides of your hips, giving a rounded look. Because it's controlled and targeted, it builds strength and endurance without straining your spine or knees. Start with light resistance and do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, pausing briefly at the top. As you get stronger, you can increase the weight slightly or hold the outer position longer. 2 to 3 sessions per week is enough to see results. If you have hip injuries or pain, reduce the weight or range of motion. Keep movements controlled and listen to your body. All right, now that you know all 4 exercises, let's put them together into a simple, effective routine you can do 2 to 3 times a week. Workout plan. Step up. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Use a lower step or hold on to a support if needed. Bulgarian split squat. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Go slow. Focus on the glute squeeze at the top. Glute bridge. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Add a light weight on your hips if you want more challenge. Hip abduction machine. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Pause at the top for 1 or 2 seconds to really feel it. Take your time with each exercise. Focus on form, and remember, it's not about speed. It's about building strength, balance, and mobility safely. Even just these 4 exercises done consistently can make a huge difference in how you move and feel every day. Before we wrap up, don't forget to comment with your name and city if you haven't already. I love seeing our community grow and hearing from you. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching all the way through. Keep going, stay consistent, and remember, your glutes are worth it.